Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, on Friday started its probe into the Sushant Singh Rajput death case in the city as it collected relevant documents and reports from the Mumbai police. And a special investigation team of the CBI consisting of officers, other personnel and forensic experts landed in Mumbai on Thursday evening to take over the probe. So Yogesh Sheetal is with us for further inputs. So Yogesh, well, the CBI has landed in Mumbai and the documents will be given to them. So what's the next, what do you expect next?
See, Mark, last time CBI arrived in Mumbai and then the formal investigation in this case has been started by the agency. What we have been given to understand at this point in time that all the crucial evidences, including electronic evidences like laptop, cell phone, and also other evidences have been given to the agency from the Mumbai police. Early in the day, the CBI officials have visited Bandra police station and also had interaction with different officials from Mumbai police, and after that the documents and all the crucial evidences have been given to the agency. One also important thing at this point in time, let me tell you that most probably the recreation of the entire crime scene would be done today only, because the CBI is in fact completed first part of the investigation. The procedural things have been done. So now the formal investigation has been started, and also CBI has questioned one of the close eyes of Sushant Singh Rajput. However, what's coming out from the investigation remains to be seen, because CBI officials have not spoken to media as of now. Also, there are some important things. Let me tell you that Riya Chakravarti, who is the main accused in this case in the FIR that was filed by the agency, is likely to be questioned in next 2 or 3 days. And earlier we know that not only Mumbai police but also Enforcement Directorate had questioned Riya Chakravarti. So the statements of Riya Chakravarti with the ED and also with the Mumbai police as of now, that statement has been given to CBI. So when Riya Chakravarti will be questioned, definitely she will be confronted with the statements that she made earlier. So there are different things, and also when the recreation would be done, definitely that will give a lead to the agency, whether it is suicide or whether it is murder or whether it is something else. So basically that will give a crucial lead to the agency. So that is the most important point at this point in time as far as investigation is concerned. Recreation of the crime scene will be very important. What we had also seen in the Sinapura murder case, which was transferred to the agency, CBI just went on the same line, recreation of entire thing, and also later on gathered new evidences. However, the evidences and the statements are already with the CBI, but CBI has already said, if sources are to be believed, that CBI will record fresh statement of all the concerned people, all the suspect, and all the people whether they have been associated with Sushant Singh Rajput. So many things remain to be seen later in the day. Yeah,
indeed. Also, Yogesh, since this is a trial that the media has followed very closely. In fact, many people were calling it a media trial to start with, but now that the CBI is involved, perhaps the media will take a little, of a back seat, because the CBI doesn't operate, in front of the media all the time.
See, Mark, many things are suspicious at this, in this case. If I'll just figure out something like Mumbai Police held a press conference where majority of reporters, even Doordarshan and also other main important channels, they have not been invited in the press conference. So there are different things happen in this case. Whether Mumbai Police, whether they are trying to conceal something, whether they are not confident to take uncomfortable questions. Apart from that, we have also learned that some PR agencies are working in this case. PR agencies on which behalf, that is not clear. But yes, PR agencies are also working. So there are some technical things. As far as media trial is concerned, Riya Chakravarti had already moved Supreme Court demanding there should be no media trial, and media had already held out guilty without any formal trial. So the plea was already with the Supreme Court. But as of now, Supreme Court has not made anything, whether Supreme Court has not directed whether it will be in-camera trial in case if the trial is started. So number of things are would be where people are looking closely at the developments. But at this point in time, media trial, it's just an allegation. There are many allegations in different cases, but there's no legal thing. There's no legal order. There's no court order as far as media trial, alleged media trial is concerned.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks very much, Yogesh Sheetal, for being with us. Now moving on to our next story then, the Facebook